Hello folks, and welcome into another video. In today's video I'm going to be cleaning this up. Now if you've seen my last video, you'll have seen that I got a little Commodore haul with a nice bag. This was inside, as you may be aware. I've powered it on, it does work. I've connected it to my CRT, it does work. Today's video is just a bit of a clean up, that's all really. Right, well first things first, let's get this open. Right, we're all open and inside looks rather nice if I'm honest. Can't see any evidence of any rust. It's practically brand new. As I said though, today's video is just going to be a bit of a case clean. Looking at the motherboard, I don't even think it needs a clean, to be honest. Looks mint. Nice and shiny. I've had stuff in the past like Commodore 64s and that where I've opened them and they're just rusty. And a couple of the edge connectors are corroded and stuff, but this one, I know it's not a Commodore 64, but of similar setup. Very impressive so far. Right, I'm going to give this case a bath. Right, I'll see you in a minute. Right, next is this, that goes in. Nah, I'm joking. Load of keys. Still the one on the floor. What next is it going to be? It's going to be a question mark. See you in a minute. Right, keys off. Keyboard's been given a nice wipe down. Just got to add some finishing touches and then I'll dry the keys off. Reassemble it. I'll reassemble the whole machine then. Right, we've had a nice bath. We're all put back together. We're a lot cleaner than before, although I won't get rid of the yellowing, and I'm not really going to attempt retro brighten because I'm no good at it. The main aim today was just clean it all up, and as you've seen, the motherboard was quite nice. The keyboard plate, a little bit grubby. I've washed it down. I've not washed it down. I've given it a wipe down. I haven't taken it apart, so I haven't really cleaned the membrane, or I don't know what that is like. But all the keys do work, so I'm happy with that. So all's left me to do now is just put it all back together and try and get some footage of it in natural light. But yeah, I'm happy with that anyway. And just like Kylie and Jason, we are back together. This here, I couldn't get out. A couple of stubborn little marks here I need to get rid of. Get the magic eraser back on that, I think. But yeah, today's video, as I've mentioned, just a clean up. The electrics inside, they look okay, but I'm not one for changing any capacitors or anything like that. I'm just not too confident. But happy with the progress so far. Right, we're all dried out, we're all back together. It hasn't made that much of a difference. The case was slightly yellow, as you can see anyway, so it was just to clean up this video. And yeah, this is unfortunately for eBay because I already own a VIC-20. I was thinking about retro brightening before I sold it on, but I'll just sell it as is because I don't really want to mess it up because I'm not really a big retro brighter. But anyway, I'm happy with it. I mean, it's not that bad really. I've seen worse. Slight yellow here and there, but nice condition, I'd say. Cheers for watching, guys. It's nice and sunny out, so I'm going to use this as a sun hat. See you later. Honestly, you think I'm joking? No, I'm not. I'm going out in the sun. Sun's out, guns out. Cheers. What must my fucking neighbours think?